Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we are making applesauce. We're using green apples and freshly picked red apples. So first you want to stick it onto this. Well, we just tested it and this is what happened to one apple. All stringy. So I recommend you be careful with this. There we go. Then you start to turn it. And as you can see, it's going towards this. Almost through. Just needs to go through that last little bit and there. So we can just take this part off with the brown stuff down. There we go. This is green apple, by the way, so that's not all sweet and spice. Let's go. Now have our first green apple half over. Okay, now real quick, the other ingredients are some turmeric, ground nutmeg, and some cinnamon, and a little bit of lemon juice just to spice it up. And for a bit more spice, ginger. One, now we're gonna cut the lemon. Now, I'm going to squeeze the lemon into the pot. Am I glad I don't have any cuts? Yes, I am. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to check on it in case we need to add more. Because then the apples will start to release moisture. Next then we're going to add 2 pieces, but really it's just 1, a little bit of chopping. But now we're going to add it. Next we're going to add our spices. First up, just a little bit of cinnamon. This comes out fast, so don't actually add the amount. That's good. Next we're going to add our turmeric. Ooh, that smells good. Next up, the ground nutmeg. Needs more turmeric. Plenty. Now we're going to cook it at medium. And so now we just wait about 20 minutes until the apples are soft at least. Okay, so now we're going to put our cooked apples that are soft to the food processor. A blender will also work. We got a new blender. Ooh, it smells like applesauce. Real good applesauce. That's enough for that. Okay, now we're going to press the power button. And yes, this has to be locked. It's a new one. And so we went on chop, and now we just press. And now we're going to try a little bit of this, see if we need any more spice. Ooh, ooh, that is good. It needs nothing more. Perfection. Perfection. And actually, that's all we're gonna do. That was a quick one. But anyways, see you all next time on Wilson and the Family Kitchen. Goodbye, have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving. And please like and subscribe. Please, please, please.